You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, this geographical feature on Mars. If you want to learn more confusing names from astronomy, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up for you. Hellas, that's English pronunciation. Hellas Planitia, that's generally how it is pronounced. You may hear people say it as Planitia as well, which would be a more Latin pronunciation, which is probably correct, but definitely more Latin. Planitia, generally the most common pronunciation. Hellas Planitia, how do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.